Hello, thank you for joining me here at Five and Makeover, and you just got your Splash liquid lipstick. I'm going to show you a couple of tips, tricks, and hacks so you don't end up looking like the Joker. So I put eye primer on my lips and my eyes, let it dry. I do the multitasking mama thing, let it dry anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes. With Splash, lip liner is not needed, but you can use it, especially if you like doing cool ombre type lips. So I'm going to use Plush, okay, and you outline your entire lip. Oops, I'm the queen of oops. And also make sure you fill in, don't just outline, fill in. Gently though, gently people. Okay. And if you like doing a lighter center lip, grab your Mega Bag Must Have Pristine pencil liner. And just barely. Okay. What this is going to do is contrast. Now again, lip liner is not a necessity. It's just something fun if you are like me and like doing lip mixes and mixing crazy colors together and creating your own unique lip mix. Do not open your Splash. Okay, because I love you. See, it's habit now. Don't just open it and slap it on because it's going to get everywhere. Unique is highly pigmented. Okay? I always tell everyone this because it's easy to remember. Get your wand naked. Wipe everything off your wand because this is like weeks of product that like you don't need all of this product to achieve the lip look you are looking for. The wand is angled where if you don't use liner, it also is a great tool because you could kind of flip it upside down. Okay, I started the outer corners, and remember, after you get your wand naked, then do this. Yeah, see how precise this wand is? Like, you don't even need a lip brush to blend unless you are mixing a couple of different splash colors. That is the beauty of the Splash. See, if you are like me and always have an oops, that's where you might need a lip brush. Super easy, super quick. Splash liquid lipstick is long lasting and moisturizing. Being that it is liquid lipstick, let it dry before you start eating, drinking, and being merry. Let it dry. Like you could tell, wait like 5 minutes. That's where I always, well, for me, I do multitasking mama. Like I'll fold a load of clothes or something or change the dishwasher. I'll do something, and then you could do the kiss test, and when nothing transfers, you are good to go. You are ready to eat, drink, and be merry. Go about your day, and your lips ain't budging. Thank you for joining me here at Five and Makeover with this Splash liquid lipstick tip, and you guys have a great day. Bye.